कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है कि इस नए एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। और जैसे कि लास्ट वीक हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, वी वर डिस्कसिंग थ्रू आउट द लास्ट वीक दैट द वीकली टाइम फ्रेम टारगेट फॉर निफ्टी could be 14,223. So comfortably Nifty is above this particular target, and now just we are waiting for Bank Nifty to complete the target. हाँ, previous top का जो level था 32,570, we are waiting for this target to be completed in case of Bank Nifty. And I had also suggested traders not to buy options every day, because option buying, option as in future and options का buying, is not an everyday thing. So trade only and only when you know what you expect. Coming back and coming on to today, so what are the expectations that we have set for the day? And this is from our mentorship group. So as shared during yesterday's trading session, Nifty looks losing its steam after completing a target of 14,223. Yesterday it completed the target of 14,223 and it was appearing as if it was losing some steam. So let's be a bit watchful. Individual stocks still to perform. Dr. Reddy, Bajaj Finance are the ones I am looking at. And as I was not in front of the charts for the whole day, there was a little word of caution for all the traders. And then I suggesting them to observe and trade accordingly. Now, what are the trades people have taken today in this mentorship program? So one update I am putting as in Reddy above 5,333 was a very crucial level, and Reddy is above that. Reddy is one stock wherein we are expecting a bullish bias, bullishness. Ashish Thesia had bought Eicher Motors future at a price of 2673 and he exited at 2746. So fantastic trade it was. Same with Dr. Hina Bhatt. She had bought Maruti call options in the morning. She exited a bit in haste, but then otherwise the trade was good, and she continued doing that with some other trades like Tata Steel. And then from there, Dr. Hina Bhatt again, HCL futures, all these trades going very practically. Now here, Sandeep, Maruti, this is star of the day. Maruti 7715 to 7985. That's roughly around 240 points, and with 2000 quantity, right? So insane kind of a profit, insane kind of a trade with huge quantity and amazing kind of return. So it depends on the risk that you are taking. The rewards are also generous and very healthy kind of rewards. Anirudhan in selling options. So profits in terms of Bajaj Finance call option selling. And if you look at the market overall in today's scenario, Nifty was amazingly bullish, and in a way Nifty is showing a sign that it is outperforming Bank Nifty. Okay, if these kind of scenarios are happening, so Nifty currently is at 14,343 and it is comfortably above our target level of 14,223, and right now it is sitting here comfortably. So what will be the next target? What will be the next course of action for Nifty? If Nifty has to be bullish, if Nifty is going to remain bullish, then in that scenario the target for Nifty is going to be 14,540. Okay, 14,540. Let me just put in coordinates as well. Okay, so coordinates, I'll just maintain it as 14,546 and I've changed. Now this is a bullish target. Now Nifty must remain above this level of 14,223. Then and only then this target is possible. If for whatsoever reason on Monday, if Nifty closes below this level, 14,223, they don't expect 14,540 can be one of the target. Okay, in that situation, start looking at 14,000 or start looking at 13,800-ish level or the lower levels again. So one word of advice from me in case of Nifty is that for Nifty, this level of 14,223 will be a crucial level on a closing basis. Let's say Monday closing basis. So this is going to be an important level, and that's the reason I'm just making this line little thicker. Okay, थोड़ा थिक करते हैं इस लाइन को, so that this will act like a important level, right? और यहाँ पे मंडे का क्लोजिंग जो है वो बहुत चीज़ों को निर्भर करेगा. अदरवाइज विल गेट टू सी दिस टारगेट ऑफ 14,500 in this coming week. Coming on to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is showing some kind of weakness. It's not that aggressive as compared to Nifty. And all the while we have seen that Bank Nifty is kind of a leading index. So Bank Nifty generally gives away pretty early. अगर टॉप होना है तो भी Bank Nifty का टॉप पहले होता है. So considering all these observations, we are very close to this previous top of 32,570. So this is going to remain still. This is going to remain as a target for me. And if as long as Bank Nifty is above this level of 31,510, my view is going to be buy on the dips, right? So the moment we get dips, accordingly just keep on buying until this target of 32,570 we can remain in the trade. So that's it for this particular week. The targets are very smaller, nimble targets, no aggressive targets for this particular week. The coming week is going to play a very crucial role, and just let's take one day at a time and observe, understand the price action that is happening in market, and accordingly we'll plan our trades for the coming week. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Wish you all the best.